कहानियाँ कितना कुछ सिखा देती है ना हमें। आज की जो कहानी है वो ग्रीक माइथोलॉजी से है एंड इस कहानी का टाइटल है पिग्मेलियन। Pygmalion was a Greek sculptor who disliked women for their number of flaws, maybe sometimes character, maybe sometimes by appearance, and therefore he decides to take celibacy. मतलब उसने decide कर लिया कि वो शादी नहीं करेगा. Though he was young and many were appealing to him कि आप मुझसे शादी कर लीजिए, but he decides that no, I'll not marry. But वो statues बड़े सुंदर बनाता था. तो एक बार उसे पता चलता है कि साइप्रस में देयर आर ब्यूटीफुल स्टोन्स अवेलेबल जिससे कि बहुत ब्यूटीफुल स्टैच्यूज बन सकते हैं, रिमार्केबल वंस. सो ही बिगिंस हिज जर्नी एंड गोज टू साइप्रस. आफ्टर रीचिंग साइप्रस, critically examining the stones, finally he chooses a stone for making a statue. Now the stone was so beautiful that he decides that he is going to make the magnum opus of his life, the best sculpture. So decision to ले लिया, लेकिन there was a problem because he was never in love, because he didn't like women. There was no model available for him to make this statue. Simple है, जब कोई मॉडल ही नहीं होगा तो स्टैचू कैसे बनेगा? But in his own imagination, there was a beautiful young woman who was free from all the flaws, and keeping those characteristics and features in his mind, he begins to carve the stone to make the beautiful statue. And after a really long time, here it is, a beautiful statue, the most admirable. Anyone who sees, they are just stunned to see that statue. Now what happens with Pygmalion? He falls in love with the statue and he names her as Galatea. He was so much in love with her that wherever he went to, he took the statue along with him. जहाँ जाता उसे ले जाता. और फिर there came the festival of the year, जहाँ पे goddess Aphrodite was, she was there, the goddess of love and purity. The festival was there and he goes to the temple very first time, and Pygmalion begins to pray God to goddess Aphrodite. He says, Goddess, I know all my life I have been criticizing women for their different flaws, and I'm really sorry for that. I really regret doing so. But do bless me. You are the goddess of love. Please bless me with a girl who is as pure and beautiful as my Galatea. Now, जैसे इंडिया में होता है ना, भगवान कहते हैं तथास्तु. This happens with Pygmalion too. There was a tathastu, but when he goes out, when he goes back, he thinks that इतनी सुंदर लड़की कहाँ मिलेगी मुझे. But when he reaches back his home, Galatea was there and he goes near to her. And as he goes near her, Galatea moved. The statue moved and hugged him. The stone had life. She was given so much of love and affection by this character, by Pygmalion, that she gets life and she is there with Pygmalion. Pygmalion was overjoyed with his own imagination. What he had carved out, it had got life with the blessings of the goddess of love. Now, and of course, they live happily ever after. It's a story where a statue gets life just because she was loved so much. As I have been teaching for some time in my life, there is a theory of Pygmalion effect. What is the theory of Pygmalion effect? Pygmalion effect is something where if you begin to appreciate someone, the performance or whatever desired results are there, that can be achieved just because of those words of appreciation. appreciation, applauding, it really matters in life. Last season, when I was watching Kaun Banega Crorepati, Amitabh Bachchan ji was there on the screen and he was sharing that though his health is down, but when he comes to the studio and when he hears the applause, there is a surge of energy. There is an energy in him that is simply there just because of that applause. Yes, it really matters. Be it sports, be it education, be it leadership, be it management, anywhere you go to, appreciation really matters. Being a teacher, when I appreciate my student, they perform it. Being a sports coach, you must have observed when they fill the candidate or the person, sports person, with so much of appreciation and let's do it, they do it. So during this pandemic, today is 3rd May, I'm appreciating my frontline workers, the doctors, the cleaners, the policeman, anyone associated with this pandemic. From the bottom of my heart, I really thank them and I express my gratitude towards them for doing what they are doing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for doing this. Take care.